Onnit has officially updated the Swarm Simulator. As some of you guys know, this trading has been disabled for at least a month. And us Swarm players did not know when it was going to come back. But since yesterday, Onnit has enabled trading back. And since trading has got enabled again, I am now gonna trade my Stick Cub skin. Any offers in the comments? For guys' knowledge, the Stick Cub skin is going for around 22 star signs right now, and has a 3 to 5 demand. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.